In this video, we'll be showing the effects of an ARP poisoning attack on the Microsoft Server 2012 HyperV Hypervisor environment using the Cisco Nexus 1000v virtual switch instead of the standard HyperV virtual switch. Like our ESXi test, we have three virtual machines. The first one is a CentOS 7 minimal router system with two virtual network interfaces. One of them is acting as the default gateway for the virtual LAN, which consists of two Kali virtual machines. These two virtual machines, the first one is acting as the target system and the second one is acting as the attacking system. We can view the ARP tables on all three systems. The router system shows the MAC address to IP translation for both the target and attacking system. On the target system, we can see the translation for the default gateway and the attacking system. And on the attacking system, we can see the translation for the target system as well as the default gateway. So we're going to run a ARP poisoning attack, which is going to put the attacking system as a man in the middle to the target and the default gateway, which will allow it to sniff the traffic from the target system going through the attacking system to the default gateway to get out to the internet. So let's run that attack. Okay, so now we should have poisoned the ARP tables for both the target system and the default gateway. So if we run ARP-A again on both systems, we can see that the MAC address translation has now changed. And now the target system thinks that the default gateway is now at the same MAC address as the attacking system. And if we look on the default gateway, we can see that it now thinks that the target system is now the same thing as the attacking system. So let's run ping to google.com on the target system, and we'll start collecting some packets over here on the attacker system. Okay, it's collected enough packets, and now it's writing that out to a PCAP file. And we'll Control-C over here, and it says it restored the target. So if we go and look at the ARP tables again over on the target system, we can see it's now restored back to the default. And let's check it out here on the router, and we can see that's now been restored as well. So if we go over here, we can dump the PCAP file, and we can see traffic entries. So here is an entry going from the target system to the DNS server on the network, looking for information there. Here we have the target system to Google's IP address. Let's see. Here we have another entry for the target system going to Google's IP address, which is just another ping ICMP packet. So here we can see that the attack effectively worked on the Cisco Nexus 1000v virtual switch.